Dear learners, welcome to my online class. How are you? Hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty God. I am Palash Sen, Assistant Headmaster of Mirzapur High School. Today I will take class on transformation of sentence. In my two previous class, I discussed with you about transformation of sentence, complex to simple. Today I will also discuss with you complex to simple. So dear learners, first I told you to give importance to the linkers, because linkers is very important to understand the rules properly. That's why in my previous two class I told you to remember or to memorize the linkers. So first, complex to simple. This is a very easy rules. This rules is similar to in spite of. If you are able to make complex to simple by using in spite of, I know that it is also easy for you how to change complex to simple by using because of. So dear learners, first you see here since as. So I have written the meaning of this linker here because of. So for the linker since as, you can use because of to make a simple sentence. I have here three examples are given here. So first in the first example you see here since. In the second example since. In the third example also you see here as. So since and as, both these words express similar meaning. So dear learners, first try to understand the position of subject, try to understand the position of verb, then you will follow the rules how to make simple sentence, how to change it. You will follow the rules. First one, since, then you see here subject, this is the auxiliary verb, I mean to be verb, then adjective, then the second clause. Here also since, subject is the boy, to be verb, this is adjective, and the second clause, here the second clause from here to here, this is second clause. And in the third sentence you see here as, subject they, and the to be verb are, adjective, and the second clause. So dear learners, you will change this sentence. I mean you will make simple sentence to use because of. Just you will leave this linker. You will avoid this linker, since or as. In place of since or as, you will use because of. So I am writing now because of. Since he is weak, he cannot run fast. He cannot run fast. Why? Because he is weak. So before that clause you will use because of. So dear learners, after because of, the subject will be possessive. In my previous class I showed you how to change into possessive, how to change subject into possessive. I showed these in my last two previous classes. So dear learners, because of, first you will write because of, then the subject will turn into possessive. He will be his, because of his, and because of his. And you see here in every three sentences you see here is, was, and are. That means is, was, and are. These are all to be verb. So for to be verb you will use being. For have verb you will use having, and for main verb you will use ing with V1 form of verb. So dear learners, because of subject will be possessive because of his. For to be verb I told you to write being because of his being weak. Then you will use comma. Then you will write the second clause. Run fast. So dear learners, because of his being weak, he cannot run fast. And the next one, since the boy was inattentive, he failed in the examination. The reason what's the reason? Why did the boy fail in the examination? The reason is that he was inattentive. That's why you will use because of here. Because of, just instead of since or as you will use because of. Then here you see, dear learners, the boy. The boy is a noun. The boy is a noun. You know that it's a proper noun. What's the pronoun of this noun? We know that Karim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. So here in the first line I have used Karim is a good boy. Karim is a proper noun. We know that what is proper noun? Proper noun, the noun, the word which denotes the name of a person, place or thing is called a proper noun. So Karim is a proper noun. So first line, Karim is a good boy. He goes to school regularly. So first in the first line I used subject. I have used subject Karim. But in the second clause I have used pronoun he. So just instead of or in place of Karim I have used pronoun he. So that's why you will use he instead of the boy, and he will be possessive. So because of his, and being for amuser, because of his being inattentive, he failed in the examinations. So dear learners, I am going to third one. As they are lazy, they do not prosper in life. Why don't they prosper in life? Because they are lazy. So I am writing here because of. Because of they will change into possessive their. Because of their being lazy, they do not prosper in life. So dear learners, I have done 3 examples. In every example I have used to be verb after subject. So for this to be verb you have to use being. For this to be verb you have to use being. Then you will write the rest of the part of first clause. Then you will add after giving comma you will add second clause. So dear learners, I would like to express these rules into Bengali. I would like to express these rules into Bengali because this is for your better understanding. So প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা তোমরা দেখেছো আমি কিভাবে 3টা এক্সাম্পল অর্থ 3টা এক্সারসাইজ আমি করেছি একটা নিয়ম অনুসরণ করে। সেখানে দেখো তোমরা যে সিন্স অ্যাজ যুক্ত কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্সকে আমরা কিভাবে সিম্পল করেছি। হাউ টু মেক সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স বাই ইউজিং বিকজ অফ, এই জিনিসটা তোমাদেরকে দেখিয়েছি। এখানে একটা বিষয় মনে রাখবে যে সিন্স অ্যাজ যুক্ত ক্লজটা হচ্ছে এটা কারণ নির্দেশ করে। তো আমরা যখন আমরা সিম্পল করব তখন সিন্স অ্যাজটা উঠে যাবে, সেই জায়গায় আমরা বিকজ অফ বসাবো, তারপর বিকজ অফের পরে তোমরা জানো যে সাবজেক্টের একটা পসেসিভ ফর্ম ইউজ করতে হয়, যেভাবে আমরা ইনস্পাইট অফে ইউজ করেছি। সো বিকজ অফের পর আমরা সাবজেক্ট হবে পসেসিভ ফর্ম, তারপর আমরা অ্যাম ইজ আরের জন্য আমরা বিং ইউজ করব। তারপর এরপরে তোমার ফার্স্ট ক্লজে টু বি ভার্বের পর তোমরা দেখবে যে এখানে টু বি ভার্বের পর এখানে আছে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, তো অ্যাডজেক্টিভটা লিখবে, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ কোনো চেঞ্জ করার প্রয়োজন নেই। দেন তুমি অ্যাড করবে সেকেন্ড ক্লজ। সো আই থিঙ্ক this is a very easy rules. You will understand the rules easily. I will write the rules after this exercise. I will write the rules. So dear learners, I am writing some more example. Since he has fabulous money, he leads a since he has no money, since he has no money, he leads a simple life. Since the boy had married, he made a good result. Since he has no book, he cannot read. So dear learners, same three sentences I have written here, three more example I have written here. This sentence also starts with since, or you can use here as. So what's the difference between these three example and the example few minutes ago, the example which I did? So dear learners, here after subject you can see have verb. You see here have verb. So for have verb you will change having. For have verb you have to use having. First you will write because of. Because of he is having no money, he leads a simple life. Since the boy had married, he made a good result. Because of the boy, for the noun you will use pronoun he, and he will be changed into possessive his. Because of his having married, he made a good result. So dear learners, the third sentence, because of, again you will write because of he is having no book, he cannot read. So dear learners, I am using very easy word for your better understanding. I am using very easy word and very easy sentence. No need to follow the rules. If you follow this example, how have I done this example, if you follow this, I think you will be able to understand the rules properly. So dear learners, what I have done here, just you will follow that. In the first sentence what I have done, in the second sentence what I have done, if you follow this very carefully, then you will be able to understand the rules properly. So this is my advice to you. The more you do exercise, the more you do a lot of example, the more you will be very skillful. So no need to follow the rules. Rules are available in your book. If you follow the example, if you try to do more example, more exercise, then I think you'll be able to understand any rules properly. First, you have to do lots of example. So dear learners, I have finished here 3 examples. For your better understanding, I would like to speak in Bengali. First one, তোমরা দেখো এখানে জাস্ট আমার এখানে পার্থক্যটা হচ্ছে কোথায়? পার্থক্যটা হচ্ছে আমি এখানে সাবজেক্টের পরে হ্যাভ হ্যাজ আছে, এই হ্যাজ হ্যাভ ভার্ব আছে, হ্যাভ ভার্বগুলো জাস্ট হ্যাভিং হয়ে যাবে, এটাই হচ্ছে পার্থক্য। আগের যে সাবজেক্টে বিকজ অফের পরে একটা যে পসেসিভ দিবে, পসেসিভের পরে অ্যামিজারের জন্য আমরা বিং দিয়েছি, এখানে আমরা হ্যাভ হ্যাজের জন্য হ্যাভিং দিব, দ্যাটস ইট। আর এছাড়া আর কোনো ধরনের পরিবর্তন এই 3টা সেন্টেন্সে 3টা বাক্যে আমি দেখাইনি। সো আই থিঙ্ক this is very easy and this is very effective for you. If you do a lot of example, you can do it easily. So dear learners, I am giving 3 more example now. Since, I'm not writing here since, I'll write here as the boy reads well, he makes good result. So dear learners, again, as he works hard, he prospers in life. Dear learners, as they played well, they won the match. So dear learners, this is the main verb, this one also main verb, and played, this is also main verb. In that case, in case of main verb, what will you do? Just in case of main verb, you will add ing with v1 form of verb. No need to change other thing, just you will change only this particular word, this particular verb you will change, just you will add ing with this particular verb. So dear learners, first you will write because of the boy will be his, because of his reading well, because of his reading well, he makes a good result. As he works hard, he prospers in life because of his working hard, he prospers in life. And the third one you have to read very carefully, because the particular verb here is now in V2 form. This is the past form of verb. This is V2 form of verb. That means this is past form of verb, play, played, played. So in that case, you have to be very careful to change this word. just you will use ing. You know that very well. We always use ing with the V1 form of verb, not with the V2 form of verb. So dear learners, this is very clear to you. When we will add ing, we will add ing with the V1 form of verb as because of their playing well, because of their playing well, they own the match. Because of their playing well, they own the match. So dear learners, I am writing now the rules for your better understanding. First, you will write because of, then possessive form, possessive, then being for, to be verb, being for to be verb, or having for have verb, and ing with V1, ing with V1 plus comma plus rest part of the first clause. Then you will use comma, then second clause. So dear learners, প্রথমে তোমরা বিকজ অফ দিবে, তারপর সাবজেক্টে পসেসিভ ফর্ম বসবে, বিং বসাবে তোমরা টু বি ভার্বের জন্য, আর হ্যাভ ভার্বের জন্য বসাবে তোমরা হ্যাভিং, আর মেইন ভার্ব থাকলে তাহলে তোমরা বসাবে মানে প্রেজেন্ট ফর্মের সাথে আইএনজি উইথ V1। তারপরে প্রথম ক্লজের বাকি অংশ বসবে, তারপর জাস্ট ইউ উইল ইউজ এ কমা, একটা কমা ব্যবহার করবে, তারপর সেকেন্ড ক্লজ বসাবে। সো ডিয়ার লার্নার্স, I have showed a very easy rules by using different example from different angle. So dear learners, you will follow these rules. You will get a lot of example in your exercise book. So many example are available in your exercise book. If you do this exercise at your home, I think you will be very skillful how to change the complex to simple. So dear learners, no more today. Have a good time. See you in my next class. Thank you very much for watching this class. Thank you.